Today, I'm going to show you how to clone a proven software and be able to charge $300 per month per client, even if you're a total beginner to the online marketing space, have no prior tech skills, no marketing experience, and never have made a single dollar online before. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next 10 minutes by simply cloning a proven business model. This business actually right here that you see on your screen that is valued at tens of millions of dollars and is only about 10 minutes away from my house. So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the business model is, how much they charge, what they offer, and how you can clone it for literally $0 to get started. All I ask of you is just to smash the like button, and if you're brand new here to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay notified of new future updates. So first, before we dive into what this business offers and their price points and everything, I want to break down the simple business model. So basically what they're doing is they're selling to small local business owners. They're offering them simple marketing systems that are copy and paste, and they're charging each one of these clients $300 to $500 per month per client. And the cool thing about this business model is it creates monthly recurring revenue. You're not selling your time as a service, you're selling software as a service. You're selling these systems, these tools. And so you're able to stack up that monthly recurring revenue, and you make a sale once and they keep paying you every single month. So at the beginning of every single month, you're not starting over from zero, which if you are an entrepreneur, this creates that consistency, that stability, and that peace of mind that you're looking for. So now that we know what this business model is, let's dive into some of the products and what they're actually offering, price points they're charging, and how you can personally clone it, even if you have no marketing experience and even if you don't have any coding skills. And no, this is not going through and using a software like Bubble and the no-code software tools, because honestly, those are actually pretty technical and pretty confusing. So if we come to their website and we just scroll down, we can see all of their different products. So they have business texting, so basically being able to have a business text back and forth with their customers. They have online reviews, which is also known as reputation management, to be able to help these small local businesses get more 5-star reviews on Google, on Yelp, on Facebook, so they rank higher in the search engines, and so they can also respond to the reviews. And for those of you guys watching me like, oh, they're just going through and spamming for fake reviews. No, this is basically sending out a text reminding customers that have just worked with them to go and leave a good positive review if they had a great experience. So they're not going through and spamming out people trying to get fake reviews. They're going through and reaching out to their past clients, because I know I always get asked that. Web leads right here, which is this little web chat widget to be able to go through. If somebody visits your website, it's a little web chat widget that pops up, which if I move myself really quick right here, you can see this down in the bottom right-hand corner. If you just click on this right here, you put in, let's say I want to get a demo, get enrolled in their software, customer success, you have this ability to go through and connect and get leads right from their website. And then the final service that they offer is payments. Basically being able to have a business owner send out a text, an invoice. Let's say you're a plumber, electrician, and you've gone through and you've helped somebody at their house and you want to send them an invoice immediately. You just send them a text, that customer pays via text, and then the payment is all taken care of. So honestly, these are all pretty simple services they're going through and offering. There's not like a ton of crazy groundbreaking services. There's a lot of other businesses I know of that do this exact same thing worth hundreds of millions of dollars, even some worth in the billions of dollars. And so this is a massive market to jump into, because this is such a massive need for these business owners. And if we come up here just to prove that this business is actually working, this is from their blog, but this is from an Inc. 5000 post. It says Connect named one of the fastest growing companies 3 years in a row. So this works. This is a proven business model, and I like to go through and just jump into things that are already proven to work instead of recreating the wheel when I'm getting started with entrepreneurship. And just to prove to you guys that I'm not just some guy just regurgitating content that I found online, this is me actually going through and doing this exact type of stuff. So this is one account right here, over $107,000 for the month in monthly recurring revenue. And that is the beauty of this business, like I said, is this monthly recurring revenue. And then this is another one right here, $135,875. So if you look at that, that's well over $200,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And I don't have some massive team that have gone through and built up to go through and create this. And just to show that like I'm not just some unique snowflake, I've gone through and shown a bunch of other people exactly how to do this and to get amazing results. But let me just clarify first that I have nothing to sell you. If you just drop a comment down below, I'll actually give you my course 100% for free, showing you step-by-step how to set all this up in more detail than what I'm going to be going to in this video. So our goal here now is just to clone this proven business. They've already shown that they're top business 3 years in a row. They have these simple services services. They have a really nice professionally designed website. So the first thing we're probably going to want is a professionally designed website. And good news for you guys, I have already pre-built this website for you with all the different things that you would need to run this business. Online reviews, messaging, payments. You can see it's professionally designed, and I've set it up in a way that all you have to do is come over here, switch in and out your logo, connect it to your domain, which I show you guys how to do in my step-by-step free course, and then you are set up and you are ready to go. All of the products are detailed right here. The exact same products, reviews, messaging, web chat, payments. Then you even have the pricing right here where you can go through and have the customers sign up for each one of these services and pay you on a monthly ongoing basis. I've even got a professionally designed demo video that you guys have go through, get set up, where people come in and they opt in, give their information. So you've got a qualified lead. They watch the demo video to see what the services are all about. This is all completely white labeled, so there's no branding on it of my brand or anything like that. This is all going to be 100% completely yours. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this simple software. And this is a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, and it literally gives you all of the features that that software company offers, plus a whole bunch more. And so you can come over here into the SaaS configurator, which SaaS stands for software as a service. So remember, we're selling software as a service, as opposed to selling your time as a service, where you have to go through and trade your time for dollars each and every hour. I don't like to do that because I can't scale my business, and I can't really scale the amount of money that I'm making because I've got a fixed rate amount of money that I'm getting paid every single hour. So that's why I love selling software, tools, and systems as a service as opposed to selling my time as a service. So what we can do over here is set our different price points. So we can have a monthly price point or an annual price point, and we can set up multiple plans based on what we're offering. So if you come over here to this core page right here and check this out, we would have a $249 a month price, a $399 per month price, and a $449 per month price. And honestly, you can set the prices to be whatever you want. And then all we have to do is come over here and click Edit Details. Okay, so for this one, we give it a name. We'll call it the professional plan. We'll give it pricing. So let's say for this one, we want to match this exactly. So the professional is $399 a month. So this one right now is $300. So we'll just go, hey, we'll set it at $399 a month. We'll come down and make sure that we save the changes here. And then if we come back up here to the features, we can choose the exact features that we want to be able to allow the customers to use if they have that specific plan. So you can see we've got the two-way texting, which is the exactly business texting that they were talking about. We got the reputation management, where we're online reviews. We've got the text to pay, which is that business payments. We have the web chat, which is their website leads. And then guess what? Look at all this. We have a bunch of other additional features that we can go through and offer to our customers for an added value. So if this software up here, Connect, is making this happen with just these limited features, and you have access to a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, that I actually hook you guys up with an extended 30-day free trial to be able to go through and not only set this up, but get your first paying client before you even have to pay for the software. It makes it so easy to be able to go through and beat a business like Connect at their own game. We have other services like missed call text back, Facebook Messenger, a CRM where a business is able to store all their contacts. We have a mobile app that you can also white label, put your own logo, put your own brand name on it. And so it is all 100% your own business. So unlike Connect here, who's actually done multiple rounds of fundraising, which if you've ever raised money for anything in your life, you know it's not that easy to do. So they had to go through, they had to raise money, they had to build out the software completely from scratch, and then go through and hope that the business model actually works, which we already know now that this business model works because this company, plus several other companies, plus my company, plus a lot of other people that I've shown how to do this exact business model. The business model, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Also, we don't have to raise money because you can get started with a free 30-day extended trial. And then also, the software is already pre-built, pre-coded, so you don't have to hire any software developers, have any technical knowledge or anything like that, and you can start running your own business, modeling this exact business and making anywhere from $300 to $500 per month per client, so you can see how you can easily stack up this monthly recurring revenue. If you stay consistent with this, and over the course of 12 months, let's say you get 100 clients paying you $500 per month each. That is $50,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue, where at the beginning of every single month, you already know you're at this $50,000 per month threshold, that you don't have to start over from zero. You don't have to resell new clients every single month just to have a functional business. And your expenses for this business are next to nothing because the software is already pre-built, pre-done. You're not having to hire any expensive, fancy developers. The only thing you'd have to do really at scale is hire some account and support reps to help you out, which I show you how to do all that anyway inside of my free course. So anyway, guys, if you want to go through and get started cloning this exact business model, it is, in my personal opinion, the best business model out there because it has high profit margins, just like the agency model, but you're selling software as a service. So you're able to use leverage and not selling your time as a service and really be able to scale this up and have a monthly recurring business model as opposed to drop shipping or Amazon FBA, where you have to make more sales every single month. So if you guys want my free course, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Like I said, if you're brand new here to the channel, my name is Jason Wardrop. Make sure you tap that subscribe button because my statistics show that a lot of people watching these videos are actually not subscribed, which is shocking because obviously I've got amazing content here on the channel. And if you guys don't mind smashing the like button, I'd also appreciate that. With that said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.